Hey, y'all can hear me now. Yeah. Hold on. Ugh. I'm smart. I forgot to plug it in. Also got my ferret. Did my boo boo. Now it's 60 frames per second. 60 frames per ferret. Yeah, girl. You want to co-host? Huh? You want to co-host with me? Do you? I know. You gonna let me stream now, or you gonna keep digging my leg? Huh? You gonna let me stream? Look, say hi to the chat. Hi, chat. Ain't nobody here yet, but Rick still say hi. And 13. I'm gonna let you down now, alright? You gonna let me do my thing? You can interrupt anytime, girl. Anytime you want. With them fangs. Dang, girl. Alright, guys. So, oops. Go to live, so that way it's not stuck backwards and stuff. Go a little bit here. Okay. Alright, so I have actually been working on a sort of like system to make everything a lot easier to program with, but I'm just going to be working on this live instead of not. I don't need my LTE. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I agree. Multi-output device. We're going to listen to some music. What do you guys say? Should we listen to some music? I think we should listen to some music. Let's go to YouTube. Let's do some random Super Nintendo music again. What? I said YouTube, not... What? Ignore it. Oh, hey, look! The Emperor Pro's live. Alright, forget this. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna cancel this and go watch What the? Alright. SNES music playlist. Good SNES music. It's a little pop-out thingy as soon as it starts to play. There we go. Bring that down on over here. Now, I'm gonna open up that RPG Maker MB. Got to log into Steam. Here, set myself offline. I'll get spammed otherwise. Not really. Move! Stupid window! My Bluetooth is acting up. You know, Bluetooth was never meant for mice. I don't care what anybody says. See, I'm using the Razer Atheris, and yeah. And even this jank with Bluetooth. It always has been. I have no idea why. You know, the little USB thing, it kind of works if you're like real close to it, but kind of defeats the purpose of wireless. But actually, it works pretty okay. It works pretty okay. I'm just gonna go offline. And hey, Neko, how's it going? Welcome to the stream, bud. You are the first person to chat. So hello, good sir. Or madam. Whatever you are, hello. Let's open Maker Indie. Okay. I said yes like 100 times. You gotta ask permission every time. Come on, man. Alright, so yeah, let's do some coding. I'll just maximize it, who cares? Okay, so let me go over a little bit of what I've done. I'm just gonna up the scale a little bit a couple times so you guys can see. I'm actually turning everything into classes. I was gonna use EX, but I'm not gonna use that anymore. Yeah, all good. All good, fam bucko. How about yourself? All right, and so anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and comment this while I'm at it. I was gonna do that in the first place. We're a little bit closer to my jump. You guys can hear me okay from here, right? Should be able to. It's a pretty good mic. Okay. Oh, I love Visual Studio Code. Number. This is almost entirely pointless other than decoration, and for me anyway. It doesn't really help me memorize anything. I can generally remember a lot of stuff when it comes to this. Function, function, function. So basically, I've turned creating a window into something as easy as this. Ooh, hold on. Right here. Instead of doing the whole function, window, window.prototype equals blank, and then this equals that, and banana shenanigans. So yeah, you got your X, Y, width, and height. You got your initialize function, your refresh function, and your update function. Audio is fire. I know. It is fire. It is lit AF, fam. I always did like the Lufia 2 music. The Lufia 2, it's pretty good, honestly. Okay. Now let's see. What do we want to do with this thing? Oh, yeah. Well, never mind. I don't need to type the name of the thing there. So we can just do this, and there you go. You have all your params. And they're kind of self-explanatory. I don't really need to put any description or anything like that. This one, on the other hand, just gonna copy and paste this. Okay, this one we do though. Create. Oops. At method. Is it property or method? I think it's method, right? Oh, let me. Yeah, it's a method. Create window. Creates a window. Completely unneeded to comment because you're not going to be calling this function on your own, but again, decoration. I have to have it. And the same as we did before. A good sir. There we go. Now let's do method. I know it. That's right. It's a method, duh. Initialize window. So yeah, If you want access to the window directly, all you got to do is see when, for example, in this little test, .when. Oh yeah, so Neko, how smooth is it? Is the frame rate good? It should be good. It should be like 60 instead of 30 now. I don't know about the desktop capture, but yeah. Well, obviously the desktop capture is going to be at 62 if the webcam is, because it's an all-in-one package. Captures everything, sends it. Yeah. Oh, you were saying the audio is fine. Wow, I'm smart. For the mic. I actually completely forgot that I even mentioned that. What? I'm smart. So we got our class window here. First off, good sir, you don't need to be this intrusive. So I'm gonna actually make a folder called mods, or modular like scripts and everything. FPS is good, fam. Thank you. Appreciate that, man. Alright, so in the mods we're gonna have invade.js, and what that's gonna allow us to do, hold on. Let's do this right here. Let's not do this. I just derped, knowing we don't really need that. No. Mod.js for mod installer, mod initializer. I don't care. Ain't nobody else gonna use this, so whatever. Names are names. As long as I know what the heck it is. Const. Maybe we should, okay, let's just do it this way. Classes equals require dot slash mod slash ex classes. But the thing is, the dot slash, it might not work properly. So let's just go find out. Because that, like, I think it's the root directory. So we might have to do JS first, plugins, then mods. I don't know. It depends on how it's loaded. We'll see. I said okay, like 300 icon. What am I doing? I didn't even... Okay. Mod inst. Get out of here, Steam logo. See if it pop up. You get on my nerves. You pop up where you don't need. Oh my gosh, something. Alright, now let's see if it works. F8. Did we get an error? Yep, can't find module. Okay, so the reason for this, again, is because it's all based on where it's reading from. So if we do ./js/plugins/ since the executable, I don't know what the executable is though. Well, I'm about to find out. Can I find it? Create window is not defined. Yeah, hey, it's trying to create window though. That's good. Oh yeah. So that means, anyway, it does mean that it got imported properly. I meant to do this .create window. Now it should work just fine. There shouldn't be any errors, and it shouldn't do anything either. It just should be some... What do you mean window base is not defined? What? What? Window base is defined. Oh, no it's not. No, it's not. It's because this is getting created before anything else. So let me get rid of the test thing real quick. I'll rewrite the test thing after we get the... or I don't need to rewrite it. I'll just comment it out. Hold on. That's an idea. I love The Legend of Link. Man, it's so fun playing as Zelda to save the Princess Link. Okay. What am I doing? Why am I even continuing? It's like a habit. Yeah, okay, no errors. Good. So we're good to go. Now I need to write my intrude function. So we're going to do const invade equals require /js/plugins/mod/invade.js. Oh, you don't need to type .js apparently. That's weird. I did not know that. Hey, Pat! Pat the 23rd. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. Yes, Neko beat me to it. I got my coffee, not from Dunkin', but it's in a Dunkin' cup. Thing keeps it warm for a while, fans. Any coffee drinkers out there? I recommend. Okay, so we just because it's a habit, I'm gonna keep record of the things that we alias. Alright. I'm not used to the Mac keyboard, man. I'm still not used to it. I like it. I like the feel of it, but the keyboard itself, like the keys, the really short travel time, I don't know, it irks me. I don't know, I'm used to full-on hammering down with my fingers, you know, like on the keys. Hey, young bro. I missed your videos. Happy to see you back. Thank you, Akuma, and it's good to see you as well. How you been? I'm assuming you're the same Akuma that, because, you know, I know Akuma is probably a common name, but considering you're familiar with me and I'm also familiar with an Akuma, you're probably the same Akuma. So hello, welcome. Alright, so now we're going to do const alias. Wait, invade. Wait a minute. Oops. Module.exports.invade. Wait. No, it's just a single function, so we only need the module.exports. So we're going to turn the module exports into a function itself. Oops. And we're going to do scene. We're going to need... And then we're going to need the method. So we're going to... This is what this is going to do is kind of... It's going to... Well, maybe we should make it append and completely overwrite function. Yeah, okay. So module.exports.append. And then we're going to do an override as well. No, we can do that all in one function. So... Append. Oops. It's better to do it at the end, actually. Right here. So... what this is going to do, like I said, it's going to kind of intrude on other functions. It's kind of like alias. It is aliasing, but anyway, it makes it a lot smoother. You'll see how it's done. It's really cool, a lot cleaner. So now it's Frog's theme. All right, I stopped jamming out, dude. Okay, question is. Dot prototype method. Okay, const old equals. So we're gonna. Well, let's just do a. Yeah, it can be a constant. I mean, it's not gonna change. All right, so the old one we're gonna do that. What that's gonna allow us basically to do. So, this is. Well, okay. How can I explain it? Say we want to add something to the title screen. Instead of doing var this thing equals scene title dot prototype dot create, for example, and then doing instead of doing all this and then like doing this thing dot apply this arguments. Instead of doing all this like sloppy style code, we can kind of boil it down to something real nice. Like for example, let me go ahead and show you. So let's just say this is called invade. Invade. We do scene title, start or create. We did create, right? True. Okay. Now basically that would yeah, we would need right here. New code. Yeah, and so we would do this. Like that. And then now we can insert a new code. It is really cool, Neko. I agree. Frog's theme is the best. Well, one of the best. So yeah, that's basically right there. That's how the function would work. Hey Rashad, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. So yeah, this is gonna make everything a lot better. Honestly, we can just do this. If append. Okay, yeah. No, there's probably a little bit of a cleaner way to do this, but meh. Details. Actually, there is a cleaner way. You can kind of run like an internal function. Here, let me show you. Honestly, I'm gonna do it because I like the way it looks. It's not exactly ideal, but I like the way it looks. So we can do scene. I mean, append, and then we can do null, something like that, and then yeah. I like that. I like the way it looks. I don't know why. It's just fancy. Also, mine. That's my first time ever seeing that, I think. Because, like, that's, like, the first time I've ever thought of that. But it looks nice. So, shut up. No, seriously, though, what do you guys think? Should we keep it like that, even though it's not exactly ideal? Yeah, I like that. And then we can do append dot apply this arguments. I like it. Alright, now we just do the rest of the code. New code dot apply. No. Yeah, I think we really should. So, in theory, it should work, but it won't. And here's why. The new code.apply and then this arguments will not work for this situation at all. So, what we can do instead is, well, first off, we need to set defaults for these. Just false. Falses. Yeah. Anyway, here's why though. When you're using a module, things are like slightly different. So when you try to use like .apply for something, if you're using, especially if you're doing it in a module exports function, for some reason it gathers everything. I don't know why. It gathers everything. Like I'm talking everything down to the run parameters that you've typed and everything. Hey, what up? Carl's Jr. What up, man? Charles Jr.'s welcome to the stream. Juniors, I can speak. Hope you enjoy your stay. We're doing some coding today. And apparently some drumming. I love this song so freaking much. But yeah, so this is how the invade code is going to work. We can actually test that out right now. Now, I'll show you why it won't work. I'm just going to lowercase these instead of capitalizing. Console.log le dude. Now, you'll see the error here that we're going to get. Invade is not defined. What? This should be defined. Maybe we do need .js on that. Oh, we didn't save this. Smart. Should be defined. Yo, it does work! Woo! Never mind, I was wrong! I don't know what caused that for me then in the past. Yes! Guys! Guys, this is the best moment of my RPG Maker history. Look, we just made it so easy to modify the creation process. Hey, Athelian Studios, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, we just made it so much easier to add things. Oh, I love it. Yeah, so we can easily, like, intrude in the functionality of another function this way. Oh, I love this so much. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, this is fun. Okay. Now that we have our invade function, we have our classes. Now we can do a little test window. Though I think I need to invade a different function. I mean, a different method, rather. I know, Charles Jr. is so exciting when stuff like this happens. Like, especially when you're expecting an error. Like, you're used to having the error, but all of a sudden it just, like, fixes itself for some reason? Yeah, bucko. Yeah, so, yeah, anyway, we just sped up the aliasing process strongly. We just sped that one thing up. Although this won't work if you export to, just to be fair, if you export to, like, web, it won't work. Too much for long, as Queen's Speech is on today, but, yeah. Alright, bro, yeah, have at it, and, enjoy. I'm happy right now. Alright, so, enough goofing around. Let's gonna put .js. It feels better to put .js. So yeah, I need to look at the RPG scenes? Okay, so if I'm right, if we just get rid of the create, if we just like set this to false, or just don't define this at all. Now watch. Now the scene title will just be black, if I remember. Hey! It says we're still live. Why are you not blank? Also, hi Grundy. Why is it not blank? It should be blank. Oh, whatever, I'll figure that out later. But for now, though, let's do something important. Did I mess up somewhere? No, it's working, right? It's still calling the old scene title though. The old initialize, I mean. Huh. Alright, we're restarting the stream.